Welcome to Eagle Complete course. After knowing the features Eagle has, we're ready to make our own PCB design. We're going to make a simple circuit using an E555 timer. This circuit is called Night Rider circuit. Basically, the output of this circuit is the LEDs are flashing one at a time chasing each other. And using the potentiometer in this circuit, we can adjust the speed of the LED flash. In the Night Rider circuit, there are 6 LEDs. This LED lights up alternately again and again, making a loop. This kind of output is a combination of work from 2 types of integrated circuit: the NE555 IC as a timer and the 4017 IC as a decay counter. NE555 IC in this circuit is configured as an astable multivibrator or oscillator, where the output of NE555 IC in the form of a clock signal will be received by 4017 IC as input, so that every oscillation of the NE555 IC will cause a switch to the next LED. Whereas IC 4017 as a decay counter will count up to 10 times, and after that it will reset and return from the beginning. Therefore, with 6 LEDs, the light flashes sequentially from the first light to the 6th light, then back again from the 6th light to the first light. In the circuit, the collaboration between the capacitor and potentiometer components is used to adjust the frequency of the LED turn on. These settings can be made by changing the resistance on the potentiometer. So, this is the overview of the project we're gonna make in this course.